In this video, I'll guide you on how to create order presets in TradingView, an essential feature to streamline your trading process. Whether you're a beginner or experienced with TradingView, setting up order presets can significantly enhance your efficiency, allowing you to focus more on your trading strategy. Start by navigating to TradingView.com and signing into your account. Once logged in, open a chart you plan to work with, as this is where you'll begin configuring your order presets. Having the chart visible allows you to see your adjustments in real time, providing a visual guide to your preset settings. At the lower part of your screen, click on the Trade button to open the trading panel for your selected chart. This panel is crucial for defining the specifics of your trading orders, so it's important to become familiar with navigating it. Within the trading panel, find the option to adjust the market units, allowing you to specify the number of units for your order. This step is akin to setting the scale of your trade, tailored to your investment goals and market analysis. Next, manage your risk settings, a vital step in determining the financial exposure you're willing to accept in a trade. Carefully adjust these settings to align with your risk tolerance and trading strategy. Effective risk management is key to sustainable trading success, so take your time with this step. After adjusting your risk settings, analyze the profit and loss projections to ensure they align with your financial objectives. If anything seems off, make the necessary adjustments here to maintain a balance between potential returns and acceptable risk levels. Once the key components of your order are configured, click on the Save Order Preset option. This step consolidates all your custom settings into a reusable template, saving you from manually inputting the same parameters for similar trades. Choose a name for your order preset that reflects its purpose or trade strategy, aiding in quick identification and application in the future. Finally, confirm your inputs by clicking Save. Your order preset is now ready for use in future trades, ensuring consistency and speed in executing your trading strategy. Remember, you can edit these presets anytime your trading strategy evolves.